Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Electromech Solutions. Please subscribe this channel, share this video with others and press bell icon for further notification. And I hope you will like this video. Let's start today's video. Today's video is about please watch the complete video, don't skip the video. Assalamu alaikum friends. Today our topic is how to check heater element. Simple way. We need a digital multimeter or any multimeter. Select multimeter on the diode position or continuity position. Check the probes of the meter for proper connectivity. Our probes are properly connected as you can hear the sound. Now connect the both probe on the both ends of the element. Element showing us 47 ohm resistance. It means it is a good element. Now check the element internal spring with the outer body. It should not be short. The resistance should be infinite. This is the simple way to check the element. The other way to check the heater element is take the testing lead and connect it in the series board. This is the series board. Now connect the leads to the ends of the element. The series board's bulb is on and but light is dim, not fully on. It means our heater element is working. The element internal spring is okay. Now check with the body. It should not be short. When we connect the leads with body, there is no light in the bulb. So it means our element is not short with outer body. So it means our element is absolutely okay.